can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. This might be a quick one, bro, but I am gonna go ahead and do it because I'm low-key trying to sell some of my items that I do have from Supreme, and I feel like this is the best way to do so. This might be titled I'm selling my Supreme collection or something along those lines. I am selling a lot of shit, not my entire collection obviously, but a lot of shit gotta go. If y'all saw the thumbnail, y'all saw a BOGO in there, y'all saw some TNF in there. A lot of shit gotta go, bro. I'm trying to get this car ASAP. I found some shit that I actually really do like, and I'm trying to pull the trigger. It would be greatly appreciated. But if you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it, subscribe if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And I guess with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. This might be a quick one. I'm not trying to spend too much time. This size XL frog tee in navy is gonna be sold or raffled. You guys can choose. This black beanie will also be up there to get sold as well. You guys got to check out Astro Bodega if you're trying to check out on any items that I do have here. These could be raffled or they could be straight up sold. You guys let me know in the comments, what would you rather me do? I kind of do want to raffle this tee, but if nobody's gonna enter, then it's pointless to do it, so I might just list it. You guys let me know in the comments. Both these pieces are gone though. Daniel Johnston, I'm sorry homie, it's time to go. We got this splatter beanie, which low-key I don't know if I want to sell it yet, but I am gonna go ahead and give it a shot, bro. If you guys are interested in this beanie, go ahead and let me know, and I might just let it go for the right price. I'm not taxing on any of these items, but you feel me, I'm trying to get my money back. That's all it is, bro. Another piece that we're selling is this weird back tee right here in the slate colorway. Once again, I could raffle this or I could simply just sell it. You guys let me know, what would you rather me do? This slate colorway is definitely fire in my opinion. I'm low-key kind of sad about this one, but I looked at my tees and I feel like this one isn't one that's gonna go up too high in value. This is also a size XL slate weird back tee or some shit like that. I honestly don't even remember. Right here we do have a pair of Jordan 1s. These are size 10. Low-key a banger sneaker, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. It is these shattered backboard 3.0s. I couldn't get past the fact that these bitches is greasy. Like, look at these shits, bro. I just can't do it. Like, I don't even wear orange sneakers in the first place, so the fact that these are like some greasy ass shits, I don't know if I could do it, bro. Low-key the prices on these are going up. I'm not gonna lie. They're like $330 or some shit on StockX, but you'll have to pay like $360. I'm probably gonna sell these for like $320 or so. I feel like these are gonna go up a lot. Dead stock, obviously. Haven't even laced them or anything like that. Super clean pair of sneakers, not even gonna lie, but I don't see myself wearing it. Definitely just not my style. We got this Lyrical Lemonade FTP shirt, which is a size 2XL. This is in black as well. This size has been going up low key, bro. It's like $80 right now on StockX, which is not that bad. If y'all are interested in this, y'all already know what to do. Astro Bodega is gonna have all your goods. Right here we have another piece that I just don't even know if I would wear them. Low-key this goes well with those starfish shattered backboards. This is the FTP safety vest. I feel like I probably tried this on for a video but never really wore it. I believe this is large XL. This is the FTP safety vest. I feel like this is gonna be sold for like 60 to 70 bucks. It's not that bad. Low-key it's fire. I just can't see myself wearing it. This is clean. It's gonna be up there as well. Right here we have the 24-hour Palace tee. This is one that I didn't even wear. Every time I was gonna wear it, I never ended up wearing it. I don't know why, so I'm gonna probably just end up letting it go. Is a clean piece nonetheless, but I just don't see myself wearing it. I don't know why. This is the 24-hour Palace long sleeve. Let me know if you guys are interested in this one right here. Hey, I'm willing to let it go, bro. It's alright. This is also a size XL. Fire piece by Palace. I just don't know if I'll end up wearing it, to be honest. Right here we got a pair of Nike SBs in like this Tiffany box. This is a size 10 and these are the Brick House Dunks, if I'm not mistaken, bro. I bought these for like a pretty good price a long time ago, and I just checked the prices on StockX. These bitches brand new are going for like $400. I was like, yo, I'm not even gonna wear these shits. Might as well get them to a new owner who is gonna appreciate these a little bit more. These are a little bit used, but they do have a lot of heel left in them. They're really good condition, honestly. I just cleaned them up a little bit as well. These are probably gonna be up there for like $150, something around the $150, $160 price point, which isn't that bad considering that these new are going for like $400. It's honestly kind of insane in my opinion. These are clean though, got that Tiffany swoosh with the red snakeskin on the front, patent leather, then you got suede. Good materials on this dunk right here, which I could see why it would go up. Low-key, I regret not buying so many dunks in the past, I'm not even gonna lie, but I do want to give a shout out to Addict.io for sponsoring this video. They are actually currently sold out, but if you guys are interested in checking them out once they restock, all you have to do is sign up for their newsletter. They actually cover a variety of websites and they do have a lot of success when it comes to checking out. I definitely would recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. I also do have a promo code Astro. Whenever it does release, you can use that for 10% off. But let's get back into the rest of my items that I am selling. As y'all saw in the thumbnail, I'm gonna be letting go of the COVID-19 relief box logo. I don't know if I'm gonna raffle this or sell it straight up. I kind of would rather raffle it. Like, I'm either gonna do 20 slots for $30 or 25 slots. I don't even know exactly how I'm gonna do it, but let me know if you're interested in a raffle for this or you want me to just sell it straight up. Just let me know in the comments down below. I'm probably gonna have the pictures ready to post by the time this video is uploaded. I'm gonna just wait for your responses and then they'll go live. But this one is the COVID-19 box logo tee in a medium. Low-key, I wish I could hold this because this is gonna go up like crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. Fire piece right here. Just wish it was my size. I probably would have ended up keeping it, but it's not, thankfully, because I do need some cash right now. Another piece I'm gonna let go of is this cutoff logo crew neck. I'm gonna let this one go for like 190 bucks plus ship. This is the Supreme cutoff crew neck, size XL in black. Fire piece. I just feel like it's not my style, bro. Maybe if this was a hoodie, I would have kept it. It's just something that I don't really need. I only wear hoodies anyway, so it's not something that I need to have, if that makes sense. I know a lot of people do love crew necks, but it's just not my style, bro. Like, I don't know. I don't really freak with crew necks too often. This is gonna be on Astro Bodega as well. You do want to go ahead and check out that Instagram. I possibly will have more things for sale soon, so make sure you stay tuned on Astro Bodega. If you didn't manage to cook up, stick around because there's gonna be more heat added on there soon. Trust me. We also have another pair of Jordan 1s. This is a size 10.5 though, and it is actually a pair of court purples. These are actually not that bad, and slowly they are rising in price just like I felt they would. That's why I held on to it for a little while. Low-key on StockX, they're $270 plus fees, you at $300, bro. I'm gonna sell these shits for $270, maybe shipped, which isn't that bad because you don't gotta pay none of those StockX fees or none of that extra bullshit. Right here, you got the court purples. We can also discuss, bro, $260 plus ship, $270, something around that ballpark is what I'm looking for these. These are actually pretty clean, dead stock, never tried on, clean pair of sneakers to be honest, and these are gonna be worth a lot. I have my pair right here, and this is the second pair that I managed to cook up, so it's time for this one to go, to be honest. We got one more piece to talk about, and it is this TNF big boy jacket. This is the in RTG, if I'm not mistaken, jacket, and like this goldish yellow colorway, size XL. This shit is heavy, bro. I'm gonna sell it for under retail, low key, probably like $630, $640, some shit around there. I don't really want too much. I just want my money back, bro. Low key regret buying this because I am gonna have to let it go sooner than expected. It's a clean jacket nonetheless. I honestly wish I could keep it, to be honest. Super fire jacket. Got that Supreme TNF branding on the front. You guys should know the jacket by now. I am gonna link the review that I did on it up there in the card if you're trying to check out full detailed pictures, or if you want to go ahead and just check out Astro Bodega. I will have some better pictures up there for you guys as well. But low-key, that pretty much does it for this video, and everything that I'm selling will be up on Astro Bodega. Just let me know if you're interested in any of these pieces. It gotta go, bro. Everything here has to go. I'm gonna try to price these fairly for me and you guys so we can each have like a better price on some of these items, because I know they be taxing. I know, bro. I'm sorry. It's just the sad truth, but shit goes up in value. Low-key, I feel like all this stuff is valued at around like $2,300 or something like that, which isn't that bad. So I'm trying to get all these things off my hand as soon as possible. Go ahead and check out Astro Bodega. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you would like more content like this. Also, the comment with the most likes. Also, if you leave a comment with a video idea, and also the comment which has the best video idea that has the most likes on it, I will go ahead and do that video for this upcoming week. So make sure you go ahead and let me know what kind of videos you would like me to do. I will also give the person with the best idea a shout out, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one though. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.